To all the CUCET PG aspirants who are going to appear your CUCET PG entrance examination, listen to this video very carefully. First, I'll be telling must carry things to the examination hall. You must have your hall ticket. Please take printout of all the pages. Don't take only the single page. You must carry original ID proof, whatever you have marked in your application. You can take Aadhaar card, PAN card, driving license, whichever you have chosen in your application. The same, please carry your Xerox copy of the original ID proof. These three things are the must carry. One is your hall ticket, the second one is original ID proof, the third is Xerox copy of the ID proof. Additional things which you might require in your examination hall: one photo, it might be helpful for you in case if they ask, black or blue pen, mask, sanitizer and water bottle. Please remember, they don't allow calculators and scientific calculators. Strictly avoid doing these things before going to examination hall. I have seen many students skipping breakfast before going to exam. Please don't do that. Your brain needs adequate amount of glucose to remember whatever you have studied. Have good amount of breakfast and go to examination hall. Second point I would like to tell all of you is, as soon as you enter your examination center, you will see many students who are going to appear for CUCET entrance exam. They might be appearing the same subject what you are going to appear. Don't discuss which textbook you have studied, which are the topics you have studied, what are your weak areas, strength areas. What happens when you discuss all this? The other person next to you might have studied different topic, you might have missed the topic. So during this discussion, it creates tension and low confidence to you. After your exam, discuss all these things, but before exam, discussing all these things will hurt your confidence level. So try to avoid discussions before going to examination hall. Go with a calm mind and positive mind. You will definitely crack the entrance exam. Soon after your hall ticket and original ID verification, you will be sent to examination hall room where you will be taking your entrance exam. After entering into entrance examination room, biometric screening will be done. After that, they will allot you a desktop. Please check in the desktop whether the name, roll number, photograph, everything belongs to you or not. During exam or before exam, you will have around 30 or 1 hour time. Seek help immediately if you face any technical issues. Don't waste your time. After 2 minutes it will be fine. If there is any small technical issue also, please approach them and sort out immediately. Don't waste your time with technical glitches. This is an all India entrance exam. You must know exam pattern before appearing for entrance exam. Each question carries 4 marks. For every wrong answer, there is deduction of marks. So please be aware of negative marking, and this is a computer based online entrance exam. Time management is the key for your exam. Please manage your time. Mark your questions. For one question, don't take 20-15 minutes. It will take away all of your time. Mark your questions very carefully. You should have smart and careful approach to solve questions. Please read the entire question very carefully before you mark the answer. I'll tell you what happened during last year 2021 CUCET. Some questions were really easy, but students have marked answer wrong. One question they have asked is, who is the first true epidemiologist? Soon after seeing the word epidemiology, students started marking it as John Snow. But the answer is Hippocrates. They missed the word first true. So be very careful. Read the question entirely and solve the answer. Be aware of these terms, not and incorrect. This is a CBT based online entrance exam. This is a computer based online entrance exam. If any students are not aware of computer based online entrance exam, what you can do, you can take any mock test in online. Many free mock tests are available. It's not for particular exam, just to be familiar with computer based online entrance exam. You will know what is marked for review, what is answered, what is not answered. So please take a mock test if you are not aware of computer based online entrance exam. It will save your time during your entrance exam. So I think all of you have studied well. You will definitely do well. Stay positive, be calm. When you are solving MCQs, please pay 100% attention. Read the question twice before marking the answer. Manage your time. And during solving numericals, please don't waste much of your time. Try to balance it out. Stay positive. I hope everybody will do well. Wishing you all the best and lots of success. Stay happy. See you all.